Welcome to our video tutorial on creating a stunning website using AI on Wix.com. Are you looking to build a professional and eye-catching website with minimal effort? Then you're in the right place. Start by visiting Wix.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll be introduced to Wix, your AI-powered website builder. Click on Create New Website to get started. Wix will ask you a few questions about your website's purpose and design preferences. Based on your answers, don't worry if you don't have any design skills. Wix takes care of all the layout and design work for you, ensuring a professional-looking result. As you make adjustments, Wix will constantly provide helpful suggestions and tips to enhance your website's look and feel. Now you're ready to share your website with the world. Publish it with a simple click and watch as your online presence grows. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to create a stunning website using AI on Wix.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy website building!